this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable your Google Assistant. So you can set this up so you can just say, "Hey Google," and it should open up Gemini. "Hey Gemini," or you can just hold down the power button and Gemini is going to turn on. So to set this up, just go to the top right and go to Settings. Scroll on down to Google Services, so you can see right there on the top on my Google Pixel. Samsung, it might be a little bit further down here. So go to Google Services, go to All Services, scroll on down, and we can go to Search Assistant Voice. Then we can go to where it says Gemini. And we can turn on where it says Talk to Gemini Hands-Free. And just turn it on right here. Now before you actually have it enabled, you have to go to this voice match option right here. And you got to say a bunch of sentences, and it will match and detect your voice to your account, and then you should be able to turn this on. And this is "Hey Google," and Gemini should open up sometimes. "Hey Google," one more time, and there it is. So you can set it up just by saying it. Otherwise, you do have the option for like side buttons and stuff like that. On my Samsung phone, I believe it's under Advanced Features, Advanced Labs, and then it's side button. And then on my Google Pixel, it's going to be in a different area. I think it's under System. And then I want to go to Gestures. And then Power button. And then I can just go to Power menu, Digital Assistant, and I can turn it on right there. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.